Do you know there is a prison in Philadelphia that was once called Hell's Castle? A place so massive, so silent, that people believed it could make criminals find God or lose their minds trying. Hello there, and welcome back to Magic and Miles. Welcome to Eastern State Penitentiary, was the most famous and expensive prison in the world. Its towering Gothic walls weren't just meant to keep people in, they were meant to break them from within. So before we step behind these old stone gates, make sure to like this video to help others restore this chilling piece of history. And tell us in the comments, would you dare to walk these haunted halls after dark? You will find Eastern State at 2027 Fairmount Avenue, right in Philadelphia's Fairmount neighborhood, just a few blocks from the Rocky Steps and the Philadelphia Museum of Art. But once you're there and those walls rise above you, you will understand why people once called it a fortress of silence. Well, here the story goes. When Eastern State opened in 1829, it was a revolutionary idea. The world's first true penitentiary. Prisons were locked alone, no visitors, no talking, no light, except for one narrow skylight called the Eye of God. They were meant to find redemption through solitude, but what they found was complete madness. So here is the real deal. Some inmates began to scream endlessly, others refused to eat, many lost their minds entirely, and even after release, they could not no longer speak to another person. Over the years, Eastern State held more than 85,000 prisoners, including Al Capone, who lived in surprisingly luxury, with a desk, Persian rug, and even a radio playing jazz. And Slick Willie Sutton, the bank robber who led the 1945 escape, digging a 97-foot tunnel beneath the walls with 11 other inmates. They were caught within days, but decades later, during renovation, workers made a shocking discovery. One of the tunnels was still there, perfectly preserved, hidden beneath the ground where tourists walk every day. A secret escape route frozen in time. And here is the another twist. Eastern State had indoor plumbing and central heating before the White House did. That's how advanced this place was even in 1839. Well, today Eastern State stands as a National Historic Landmark. Its crumbling walls carefully preserved in what's called stabilized ruin. Visitors can explore through an audio tour narrated by Steve Buscemi, featuring voices of real inmates and guards. So, what do you think? Is Eastern State haunted by ghosts or by the guilt of its own design? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you love exploring dark history, subscribe for more stories from the world's most mysterious places. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and your courage close. Bye, and see you in the next video.